Welcome to my channel Srijnastic Ideas. So today I'm back with another unboxing video for you. So I have some packages which I have bought from IKEA and that's nothing but a center table for our home. तो आज हम उसी की unboxing और उसका installation दोनों ही करेंगे. So that's my brother who will do that for us. And if you're wondering what's the background behind me, then let me tell you, it's an accent wall which we have ourselves designed it. तो इसका जो है मैंने वीडियो पूरा DIY वीडियो अपलोड किया है मेरे चैनल पे. प्लीज़ गो एंड चेक इट एंड इफ़ यू लाइक प्लीज़ हिट अ बिग थम्स अप टू इट. और चलिए आज का वीडियो हम शुरू करते हैं. So these are the two pieces that we have bought from the IKEA, and these are the tabletops of the marble finish. We're gonna keep them aside and take the main package. That is a basic table one. So we have took two pieces over here. So we're gonna unbox one of them first. So let me tell you that this is my first purchase from IKEA. Prior to this also I have visited IKEA for so many times. I'll be sharing my experience further, but for now let us see what all we got in this package. So this is the base of the table, and we have got 4 legs, and then a package in which we have got some screws and floor protections also. So we're gonna unbox them too. Let us see. Okay. So we need to go according to the manual they have provided in that package itself. So this is like something made up of hard plastic, we can say, and it is just to protect our flooring. So there is an edging at one side of the leg that has been provided. So the side where the edging is provided, we need to keep this floor protection towards that side. So we need not need any machinery, special machinery over here. But then to be sure, I will hammer it twice. So let us do that and make all the legs ready this way. See, my brother does it very well, right? That's why I always make him do all the unboxing things. Now let us keep them aside. And as we are doing it in the outside over the balcony, and we don't want our table base to get damaged, so I have placed a cloth underneath the base of the table and then doing it. So in the manual there was not mentioned about the usage of the Fevicol, but then we are using Probond. Now they have given some screws in the package itself, so we need to apply some glue and rotate the screw in the hole provided, and then rotate the leg of the table on the screw. You just need to do the way I'm showing it. Just apply some pressure and rotate till it gets fixed. The screws are like this, that is having some threads on both the sides. So the thing is, half of this part will be going onto the base of the table and half of it will be going into the legs. So the technique is pretty good, right? I'm using hammer and Fevicol, which is an optional thing. Otherwise we don't need anything other than the things they have provided in the package. So that's a pretty well thing. So बस घुमाते जाओ जब तक वो पूरी तरह से फिक्स ना हो जाए, and then when it got fixed, stop it over there. See, our first leg got fixed. So we're gonna do the same with the 3 more legs. So I was telling about my IKEA experience, right? I have, visited IKEA for the 2 to 3 times before this purchase. But then every time that I visited the IKEA, I never came empty handed. I always used to get lots of tiredness and leg pain with me. You have heard right. बहुत सारा थकावट और बहुत सारा पाँव दर्द, यही मैं हर समय लाया करती थी. This was the first time that I bought something, and that was also in a very good budget. So this is the only thing I think which made my bill big one. But then बाकी सब छोटे छोटे थे which are like home decor items that I bought. So we're gonna zoom it a bit so that you can see it better. We are placing the screw, rotating it till it get fixed well in its position, right? Well, our table is ready. So this is a basic table. You'll be getting it at the cost of 600, guys. But if you want a glossy finish that like this, then you need to pay 800 more. But I must tell you, the basic table is enough for the balcony area or a sit out area. But if you are getting this table for your main hall, then I can suggest you that you should bring this marble finish. It is easy to clean, easy to maintain, and it enhances the look of the table also. So we have unboxed it too. Now we have got one manual and a double-sided tape over here, which is divided into 4 parts. So it's a very small double-sided tape, right? Now I'm in a dilemma that is this enough to stick this marble piece? So it's a glass material, so we need to be very careful with it because it will be a fragile material, right? So now as we are going according to the manual, we will place the 4 double-sided tapes we have that they have given us on the 4 corners of the table. You see, the basic table is also pretty good. But for now we have got this for the main hall, so we'll be fixing this marble piece also. Now here I have done a mistake, guys, because of some memory issues. The video was not captured of the part where I placed this marble tabletop on this double-sided tapes. But it is pretty easy, but you need to be very precise at your placing. You'll be thinking these double-sided tapes that are very small, will this be able to hold the marble piece? But believe me, they are so strong. Just hold the table marble piece onto it very strongly, because of some issue I tried to remove it once and then again place it, but I just failed to do that because it just holded the piece very strongly. So that's the thing. Now we'll see the final look of the table in our main hall. So come with us. So guys, this is the final look of the table in our house. I must say this table has added up to the look of the room and is going very well with the sofa or the flooring. So guys, I'm very happy with the final product that we have got. Hope you guys like this video, and if yes, then please do like, share and subscribe so that you can get the notifications that every time I upload a video on my channel. So let us meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.